In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ADA future while examining Cardano cost estimate for 2023, and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to generally believe this and any kind of other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like ADA. Presently, we should head into it, which is genuinely critical, before we dive profound into the Cardano value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Cardano is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will ADA succeed or come up short, or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cardano and its to-date history. What is Cardano? Cardano sort of is a really decentralized network based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its actually own coin named ADA. Notwithstanding the well-known Cardano digital currency, the Cardano network empowers commonly savvy contracts and decentralized applications apps on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparative blockchains. Cardano value forecast. As opposed to mainstream thinking, the entire crypto world in a real sense is on an edge of a total breakdown, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. When basically add the latest implosions of immense industry players, FTX, Celsius, Luna and so forth into the situation, the horizon explicitly is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers explicitly are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors, which is very huge. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous certainly play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees us some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to really find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We in every practical sense have seen this situation many in every way that really matters, times in the far off and by and large later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other genuinely greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and some sort of other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, which is very huge. 2023 03 to 10. 1.83% dollar. 0.3224. 2023 03 to 11. 3.49% dollar. 0.3169. 2023 03 to 12. 2.33% dollar. 0.3207. 2023 03 to 13. Plus 2.95% dollar. 0.3381. 2023 03 to 14. Plus 0.45% dollar. 0.3299. 2023 03 to 15. 5.36% dollar. 0.3108. 2023 03 to 16. 1.84% dollar. 0.3223. 2023 03 to 17. 6.32% dollar. 0.3076. 2023 03 to 18. Plus 2.48% dollar. 0.3365. 2023 03 to 19. 0.95% dollar. 0.3253. 2023 03 to 20. 7.52% dollar. 0.3037. Cardano value forecast 2023. High expansion and very perilous large-scale circumstance fundamentally thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we truly take the inward crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively genuinely great for the bulls. We will likely see a great deal of commonly exhausting sideways cost activity, with an inclination to slip in every practical sense, lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. Beneath generally is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 April 24.28% $0.2486 2023 May 34.62% $0.2147 2023 June 19.44% $0.2646 2023 July 18.11% $0.2689 2023 August 10.45% $0.2941 2023 September 1.04% $0.3250 2023 October plus 8.60% $0.3566 2023 November plus 15.02% $0.3777 2023 December plus 24.50% $0.4088 2024 January plus 28.33% $0.4214 2024 February plus 38.43% $0.4546 which is genuinely huge. 2024 blemish plus 45.50% $0.4778 ADA value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees ADA coming to $0.8456 in 2025, which is very critical. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? Which is genuinely critical. The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around $0.7310. Cardano value forecast 2030-2040. What Cardano will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees Cardano coming to $2.11 in 2030, which is very critical. What Cardano will really be certainly worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Cardano coming to $4.23 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't in a real sense supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to especially reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Could Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period in a significant manner. Is Cardano for the most part worth purchasing? Which is very critical. We sort of are promoters of modestly dangerous financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain, or so they especially thought. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Cardano explicitly is fundamentally worth purchasing. Is Cardano a by and large wise speculation? Cardano is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, all around